In this video, you will learn how to navigate the checkout page and complete your order. The checkout page provides a list of all the information needed in order to submit the requisition. As a shopper, you need not complete every section before assigning the cart to a requisitioner. Simply provide the information your department has required of you, then assign the cart to a requisitioner. The information required is listed both at the top of the page and as tabs going down the left side of the page. Today we will focus on the list of tabs. A green check by the tab indicates that the system considers this to be complete. A gray check indicates the need to complete that tab. The first tab required is the Ship To tab. Click on the Edit link at the right end of this section. Click on Select from Org Addresses and type your department name in the search field that appears. Remember that this is an alpha search and will not accept an org ID number. If your department address is not available, contact the purchasing department. They will help you get your address added. When you have identified the correct address, click Select. Note that the Attention To field is editable. This will default to your name, but if you modify this field and save the address, the system will save the address to your profile with the Attention To name as edited. If you will use this address frequently, you may save this as your default address. This will save you time on future orders. Once you have saved a Ship To address, you will see that the check on that tab is green. Let's move to the next required field, Accounting Distribution. When you click on this tab, you will see 3 fields you need to populate. Click on the Edit link on the far right end. The first field to populate is the Account Distribution shortcut. This is where you will insert the activity or project number for this order. Shortcut is the key word in this title because as you add the activity or project number, the system will be able to expand that to the rest of the chart field. Next, you will fill in the account field. If you are not sure of which account to use, you may click here and search by keywords. Next is the Allowable, Unallowable field. Type the number 1 for allowable if your purchase can be considered part of the university's overhead and be reimbursed with federal dollars. Type a 0 for unallowable if your purchase is not considered part of the general overhead. Click on Save at the bottom of the window. You have now created the header accounting distribution. This will apply to the entire PO unless edited by line. You may click on the Edit link on the header accounting line to add a split or otherwise edit the line for the entire PO. Look now at the Comments tab. Comments in UShop provide a valuable way to communicate information about your order. Comments are internal, meaning they will be seen only by UShop users. Click on the Comments tab and then click on the Add Comments button. Add your comment in the field provided. You may also attach a file or URL if desired. Click Add Comment. Comments are called out with a numeral. If you see a numeral by the Comments tab, always open and read it. Remember that your comments become a part of the transaction's permanent record, so be sure you are appropriate and businesslike. Look now at the History link in the upper right-hand corner of the page to view the permanent step-by-step record of this order. Comments are a part of this order. This is a wonderful tool to learn the history of your order, as well as troubleshoot. The system will provide an explanation here if your requisition fails or is returned to you. When you have provided the desired checkout information, you will assign the cart to a requisitioner. To do this, click on the Assign Cart button in the upper right-hand corner of the cart. Click on the Search for an Assignee link and select the name of an existing requisitioner in your department. In the window provided, you may type a note of explanation. including the business purpose if you have not provided this before, or any other information that the requisitioner will need from you to complete this order. Click on the Assign button.